Today we're going to show you how to add devices in Atera. So within Atera, on the left hand side, go to devices, and here you're going to go and click on new device. And by far the easiest way to do this, if you want to install a remote computer, is click on install the Atera agent. Now you need to select the operating system, so this will be any one of these operating systems, and go ahead and click on next. Here you want to choose a customer. Okay, so just for now I'm going to choose unassigned, and I'm going to click on next. Now there's a few different ways of doing this. First of all, the download installer. This will download the installer on your device. Okay, and this is to your actual device. What you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on share download link. Now if you share this download link, so click on copy link, come down here, click on done, and send this link to whoever you want to send it to. Now what will happen is they will install it. It will look like this. It'll say setup unassigned, and then once they install it, they'll go to their device, they'll go into search, and they will see Splashtop Streamer. And once this is installed, if you just refresh this page, you will see that device over here listed. You can then click on it and you'll be able to access it remotely.